So over here, you can see that I got multiple files right here in queue. I can go ahead and add in another file as I want as well. Let's say, for example, so all of them right here is exported in certain place, like all of them right here are in desktop. This one is in a different place right here inside a file. So you can go ahead and change the output of this file right here. So you can see that these are the queues and I can select all of them at once as well. Let me just go ahead and click right here, and then I'm going to go around and select desktop right here. And once I do that, you can see all of them gets changed to desktop now right here. So you can see that this is what you have right here. Every file right here is in ready format, and if you want to go ahead and process out everything right here, you can press the play button. You can also go around over here and skip the selection right here just like this, and it is not added into queue right here. You can go ahead and skip, or you can go ahead and reset the status right here. Let's say, for example, if I don't want to actually process this one, I can right click and skip the selection right here just like this as well. Then if I were to press the play button right here, the queue is started. And now what happens is that you'll see a preview right here, and after one queue is done, the other queue is processed out, and you'll be able to see the files exported right here. So once it is queued out, you can simply go ahead and process out the conversions that you have in batch inside of Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.